Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And this is the Mystery Box Monday unboxing of the Purple Rain box. Purple Rain, Purple Rain. I know I can't sing, guys, but I just like to try to sing. But hey, let me go right into this. So for those of you who are not familiar with this, every Monday I go live at 8 p.m. and I present a box. I show you what the box looks like, the size of the box, but I don't show you the contents. I give you the value of the box and what the box is selling for. Then I give you 10 tips so that you can guess what's actually in the box. And then the first person who sends their money to pay for the box gets the box. Every week, the contents of the box are different. The size is different, the value is different, and the price is different. So we just play a little game to see how we can guess what's in the box. And then on Tuesday morning, I mail the box out, or if you're local, you come pick the box up. I do a pre-recorded video, and that's where I show everything that's in the box. And then you can see how many guesses you got right, or if you were unsure as to if you should buy the box or not, you get to see the contents of the box and see what quality items that I have in the box. And then you can decide that maybe you want to come back next week and buy the box again, or buy a box similar. So let's go over the clues so you can see if you got any of the clues right. So first of all, this is called the Purple Rain box, and this box actually retails for $108. So if you were to go to like Dollar General, Walmart, Family Dollar, any place like that, and buy all the items in this box, it will cost you $108. But the person who bought this box for $40. So they got a true value. It was like a third of the cost. So there were 19 total items in the box. And I'm not sure if you can see actually every item's not pictured in this box. And it's simply because I don't know what I did with my other recording. So the person who purchased this box, I actually asked them to send me a picture so that you could see what was in the box. And I could do this video for you. So let's go over the first clue. So the first clue was that there was something in here that had a moonlight breeze scent, and that was the Febreze air spray. And there was something in this box that is a refill. So that's the Vibrant Airwick refills down at the bottom of the picture. There are 4 things in here that you give on a special occasion. So that's what's up in your left-hand corner. There's 4 Hallmark greeting cards, and each one of those cards have the color purple in them. So the theme of the box was Purple Rain. So everything in this box has either it was purple, purple was in the name, or the packaging was purple. It was something to do with purple with every single item that was in this box. Another clue was something that that is private and is only for females, and it's actually, I said there were 2 items for that. So that's the Always incontinence pads, and then the You by Kotex maxi pads. So those are the 2 things that I said were, usually keep them private, and usually only females use them. I said there's something in this box that moisturizes your skin. So I don't see that pictured, but there was a L'Oreal moisturizing daily moisturizer in the box, and the box that it came in was purple and white. And so in the jar is actually purple and white also. It says that there's something that comes in the box that is square, but it comes in different shades. So that's what that rectangular purple box is down on the left in the front. That is actually a makeup palette. And you see the outside of the box is purple, but then there's about 3 or 4 shades of purple in there, like for eyeshadow and blush and things of that nature. Something in here comes with a handle, so that's the Skintimate razors, which the razors are purple, as well as the packaging is purple. There's something in here with sequins, so I don't know if you guys can really see it, but if you look on top of that box, there's a pen that is purple, and then there's a heart, and that heart is actually made of purple sequin. There's something in here with compartments. That will be the paisley thing that's on top of the box, the paisley rectangle. That is actually a wristlet, and it has about 4 or 5 different compartments in it. There's something in here with lavender and water lily scent. That would be, again, the Airwick refill. And then I said there's something in here that's iridescent. And again, that is a clue for the sequin pen. Now, there are things in here that I didn't give clues for. So let me tell you what those things were. I didn't give a clue. There is some purple nail polish in there, which is located up in front of the U by Kotex pads. There's also some purple socks. So those socks right there is actually 2 pairs. So it's the purple and gray striped socks, and then there's another pair of socks that is in the back of those that are purple. There's also purple Listerine that's pictured in front of the always and in between the other 3 bottles. There is also 3 different bottles of vitamins, and that's what's pictured with the Listerine. You can see all of those purples have all those bottles have purple packaging. They're made by Natrol or Notrol. I don't know how to say that, but there's a bottle of melatonin. There's a bottle of mood and stress, and a bottle of vitamin D. So everything else I gave clues for, so you were able to try to guess. So I don't know how many guesses you got right. I hope you did get some right. But I tried to include things in this box that I hadn't put in any other box. So like the greeting cards were never in any of the other mystery boxes. The always incontinence pads were never in any of the boxes. The U by Kotex was never in any of the boxes. The pen was never in any of the boxes. The Listerine was never in any of the boxes. The vitamins, the vitamin D, the mood and stress, and the melatonins, none of those were in the boxes, but I have put vitamins in boxes before. The makeup palette has never been in any of the boxes. The L'Oreal Daily Moisturizing Cream was never in any of the boxes. And I have had Airwick refills in some of the boxes before, but I've never had the Vibrant. And the Vibrant is a new Airwick that just came out a few months ago. So you'll see those in more of the boxes instead of just the regular Airwick refills that I've put in the boxes. So again, this box totals, if you were to buy it in the store somewhere, this box actually retails for $108. But if you bought this box at like CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, one of the higher end big box stores, you'd probably pay closer to like $120, $125. Like the L'Oreal alone, you could get that L'Oreal at Dollar General for like $10.95, $11.50. But if you were to go to like CVS or Rite Aid and get that same L'Oreal product, most likely you would be paying like $12, $13, $14 for this L'Oreal product. So I always base the value on the lower end stores. I don't want to inflate anything. And I always try to give you your best bang for your buck. So that's why I sell the boxes for much cheaper. So getting this box at $40 that's valued at $108 is an excellent deal. And if you were to purchase this box and I would have had to ship it to you, then it would have been $51, which is still less than 50% of the cost of everything that was in this box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed interacting on the live video on Monday with all your guesses. Let's see how many guesses you got. Keep track, and then we'll talk about that this coming Monday on our next video. And again, I go live every Monday at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'll have a new box that you can either purchase or you can just play along with the game. But thank you guys for tuning in, and until the next time, keep on saving.